Hello. Beginning with version 22H2, Microsoft has made it slightly harder to make a clean install of Windows 11 without a Microsoft account. So, in this video we will demonstrate how to do it. For the purposes of this demonstration, we are assuming you have a bootable DVD or USB and know how to boot from it. Before beginning, you should disconnect the network cable or turn off the router so there is no network available to the computer. Begin by booting from your device to get to Windows Setup. On the Setup screen, choose the language, currency format, and keyboard. Then click Next. On the next screen, click Install Now. It is best not to enter a product key at this stage. You can enter it once your installation is complete if necessary. Click I don't have a product key. Now click on the version of Windows you want to install. Then click Next. Read the software license terms. Click the checkbox to indicate you accept the terms. Then click Next. Click for a customized install. If you are reusing a disk or installing onto a used PC, you may be presented with a disk showing one or more volumes. If so, click on each volume, then click Delete, until the entire disk is displayed as unallocated space. Then click Next. The installation of Windows will now begin. The PC will restart several times during the installation. When you get to the first of the screens where you personalize Windows, if you do not want to use a Microsoft account, proceed as follows. Hold down the Shift key and press F10. A command prompt window will open. Inside the command prompt window, type the following command: OOBE \bypass NRO, then press Enter. The computer will restart. If necessary, choose the correct country, then press Yes. If necessary, choose the correct keyboard, then press Yes. Choose if you want to add a second keyboard layout. Now, because that command was entered at the command prompt, and because the network was disconnected, there is an option to say that you don't have internet. Click that button if you do not want to use a Microsoft account. You also have to click to say you want to continue with limited setup. Now it is a simple matter of reading the questions that are put, and giving the answers. You don't have to enter a password here if you don't want. Windows is now installed with a local, non-Microsoft account. All that remains is for you to reconnect to the network. That concludes this presentation of how to install Windows 11 without a Microsoft account. We hope you have found it useful. Thank you for watching.